Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. I just said in my last tutorial I have prepared the selection of PRF selection with Toshiba software. So as I said, we have already saved generate the report. So we will study the report today. So you can see here this is the piping layout from the report. So you will see this is the outdoor unit. This is the combination, actually combination of two units. So combination of these two units is MMY MAP 1806 HT8P, and this is the MMY MAP 1606 HT8P. So this is the model number actually. So this number 18 is showing the capacity in HP horsepower. So this machine is 18 HP, because if you see this, there are two fans. This is one big machine and one small machine. This combination of two machine actually. So this is the bigger version. So 18 HP and this is 16 HP. So combination of these two is the software is select only one machine MMY EP34 HP actually. So this is bracket is showing already 34 HP. And this is, if you see the here in the outdoor key legends outdoor unit model. So first one is this is the outdoor unit model, and second one is outdoor cooling rated capacity and corrected capacity. So this is the rated capacity 95 kilowatt and 79 is the corrected capacity. And this red color is showing the heating capacity. So 106 is the heating capacity and rated, and 107.79 kilowatt is the corrected capacity. Okay, and the next step is indoor cooling rated capacity and corrected capacity, and the required also. So this is the indoor unit rated capacity. That rated capacity is nothing but the calculated capacity. Okay, so 94.1 kilowatt. Okay, and the required is selected. Rated is nothing but the selected. So 94.1 kilowatt is the selected capacity of indoor unit, and this is the required actually 71.2 kilowatt. If you see here in the Excel sheet, so this is the cooling and heating load. Let me open this. I will show you. If you see here, the 71.2 kilowatt is the calculated capacity of indoor unit. So calculated is nothing but the required. So this is 71.2, and this is the selected. So 94.1. Okay, and similarly for the heating load, 106 is the selected one for indoor unit, and 74.4 is the required. See here, 74.4 is the calculated capacity. Okay, so this is the model you have to select from the catalog. Next is indoor unit legends. If you see here, this indoor key legends, indoor unit type, model, capacity, rank, cooling rated and corrected capacity, heating rated capacity and corrected, and floor name, room number. So first I am going to this indoor unit cassette type. So first one is VRF01 is nothing but the indoor unit name. Okay, so this is the indoor unit name VRF01, and second is type. So which type of machine it is. So this is a 4-way cassette type, and third one is the model. So this is the model number MMU AP0227 4 HP1E. Okay, so this is 3 HP machine. And cooling rated capacity. So cooling rated capacity, this is the capacity rank. This is the capacity rank. This is available capacity. Okay, so this is the rated one. Cooling rated capacity. This is the rated. That means this selected capacity, selected by software. It required is 6 kilowatt. You see here, the classroom 16 kilowatt is required. So this is the required. Okay, so this is the required capacity, and cooling rated capacity corrected one. This is the selected. Okay, And for similarly for the heating kilowatt, this is the available capacity is selected by the software and required is 6.3 kilowatts. And next is, if you see, this is the floor name. So this indoor unit is where installed which floor. So this is the in ground floor, and which space is serving. This unit is serving to which space. So this is serving in classroom. Okay. Similarly for the piping, if you see here, this piping legends: gas pipe diameter, liquid pipe diameter, actual length and equivalent length. So if you see here, this any pipe. So first one is the gas pipe. So gas pipe is always bigger because of the volume expansion. uh, if the phase changes from the liquid to gas, then volume of the gas is increased. So due to the increase in volume, pipe size is going to be bigger. Okay, so this is the gas pipeline, and this is the liquid pipe. So 3 by 8 inch dia, and this gas is 5 by 8 inch. And the third one is actual length of pipe. So actual length of the pipe is nothing but the pipe from this joint to this machine, 2 meter, and this is the equivalent length of the pipe from this joint to this machine. Okay, and this is showing the pipe size and length from this ref net. This is called actually ref net. This accessory is called ref net, uref net. So from this ref net to this ref net, this pipe size and length is showing. If you go to this next step, so this information is from this ref net to this ref net. Okay, so this is the if you see, this is the, so from one outdoor unit you can connect the different number of indoor unit and different types also. If you see here, this is the cassette type, and this is ductable machine, and this is high wall split AC, and again here is cassette, and this is floor mounted. Okay, so this is the piping layout generated by Toshiba software. And next report is piping with wiring. If you see here, this is the next report. So this is blue color is showing the pipe size and piping layout, and this black color is showing this wiring diagram. So this is the red color, and this is black is earthing. You see one neutral earth, 220 volt to 240 volt. Indoor unit is required. So outdoor unit is 380 volt, 415 volt, 380 to 415, and this is the power source from the outside given to the machine, and after that from outdoor to indoor there is wiring. So from each indoor there is wiring connected together. Okay, so this is the wiring diagram. If you see here, this is the outdoor unit information is given here, and outdoor unit outdoor temperature, design temperature is 107 ambient, and this is the wet bulb. Additional refrigerant is required to be charged 20.28 kg. Okay, so this much of refrigerant need to be charged after installing the machine and after finishing all the piping. Okay, now next is this is the control wiring diagram, control wiring. So this is the name: outdoor indoor control wiring. So U1, U2 and 2 core non-polarity. This is the wire size, the wire sizing and length. So 1.25 mm square mm. This is the cable size up to 1000 meter. Okay, so after 1000 meter 2 square mm up to 2000 meter. Okay, so wiring length is total U1, U2 plus U3 wiring length. Okay. And next is outdoor unit control wiring. So 2 core non-polarity cable is required, and 1.25 square mm to 2 square mm up to 100 meter. Okay. So this information is given here, and this table, if you see, this is the schedule actually. So product name, model name, quantity. So this is the outdoor unit, this is the model name, and quantity is 1. Outdoor unit joint, this is the reference one number, and indoor units, this is the model number for each indoor units, and how much is the quantity. So this model mmk AP0183H1 is the two numbers, and this is the accessories actually. So Y joint RPM, this is the model for Y joint, and quantity is two number. Header joint, so this is actually this is the quantity, bill of quantity. Okay, so next is project price list. This is the price list. Okay, so this all software report is generated by Toshiba software. So this is very helpful for ordering of materials and for execution event. So this is Toshiba VRF piping price list. Okay, so if you see here, this is the project name, school project we have done for a school project, and system type is MMSE. This is the series for Toshiba outdoor unit, and customer name is Success Engineering Official. Okay, so in this column, so equipment list, this is the equipment list, and this is the outdoor unit and type. Okay, so this is the model name for outdoor unit MMY AP3416SD, and quantity is given here one number, and you have to write this from the supplier there is price. Okay, so next is indoor unit and type. So this is the model number for each indoor unit used in our project, and this is the quantity. So price is given by the manufacturer, okay, supplier. And outdoor unit connection kit, this is the accessories there. This model is required for connection quantity one. And Y joint is this model for used this model of Y joint is used in our project. So for ordering, this is very helpful. This price list is very helpful for ordering. So bill of quantity. Okay, accessories, control device. Next is again report drawings. Refrigerant again is the same two times. Equipment list here again. Yes, this is the equipment list. Toshiba VRF piping selection tools report. Okay, this is the same actually, but here difference is from the price list and equipment list. The main difference is here the piping length is given also. The total pipe length for the gas and liquid pipe is given here. The what size and what how much is the length required. This is the dia 1/4 is 7.4 meter, 7.5 meter, and 3/8 20.5 meter. So for each diameter, how much quantity of the pipe is required for the gas and liquid is given here. And refrigerant change amount, so total amount of refrigerant required, additional refrigerant required to be charged is 20.2 kg. Okay, and so this is the outdoor design temperature is also given here. Outdoor dry valve, wet valve, everything is given here in this equipment list. Okay, so next is report indoor catalog, and catalog is also given generated by the Toshiba software. So this software is very good and very helpful, and this is very important system. So if you see here, this is the electronic catalog generated by Toshiba software. So this is four-way air discharge cassette type catalog. So this is the technical specification, model name, cooling and heating capacity, and electrical. So all the information is given here. If you see here, this is the model name and cooling and heating capacity. And electrical information is also given. So and pipe size, everything is given. So your next is concealed duct high static pressure type. This is the ducted AC. So this also information for ducted AC is given here. This is the electronic catalog for ducted. Okay, next one is wall mounted high wall mounted is 3 series and 7 series type. For this high wall unit, information is given here. Okay, and next is a floor stand. So this is floor stand type, how it's look like. Okay, so this is the electronics catalog generated by Toshiba software. Next report is report is, you see here, This report is outdoor catalog data. Okay, so outdoor unit catalog data. So this is for electronics catalog for outdoor unit, and their technical data is given here. So you see here SMMSE. So model number, outdoor unit type, model, cooling, heating capacity, everything is given here, and this is the electrical. You see here this outdoor temperature 95 degree, and this model is 34 HP inverter type, and this is the combination of this model is combination of these two, 18 HP and 16 HP. Okay, so this is ambient temperature, and this is the electrical information: 3 neutral 50 Hz, 400 volt, 380 to 415 volt actually. Okay, so it was this is the some catalogs generated by software. Next is this is schedule. Actually, this is the schedule. Schedule also given separate, generated by Toshiba. You see here, this is this bill of quantity, and this is a wiring diagram, wiring schedule, and this is the machine schedule. Okay, you see this is given in the catalog. So date, we have selected this machine, date and version, and project name is school project. Okay. And here is the piping schedule: system, outdoor unit, indoor unit, actual pipe length for each size, each diameter is given here. This is the piping schedule. Okay, and next is electrical schedule is given here. This outdoor unit capacity, required capacity, corrected one, and diversity is 99%. Electrical information is here: voltage, hertz, and MCA. This minimum MCA is nothing but miniature circuit ampere. This is ampere size. This is the circuit breaker size. Okay, so miniature circuit ampere current. Okay, and MOCP. This is all electrical information, and main length of the pipe is 4 meter, and outdoor to the joint, so LALB between. Everything is given here. Same is generated by same report we have generated in the TWG file also, AutoCAD. I will show you that one also. There are three options actually in this Toshiba software. If you want to generate the report in Excel, PDF, and TWG file also, it can generate. This AutoCAD file is opening. I will show you how it looks like in AutoCAD. So you see the same thing is generated here. The one I show you in this PDF file, same is here. See the piping diagram, pipe size, indoor unit information is given. Okay, same thing is generated by Toshiba software in TWG file. And same, this is the piping wiring. So let me open this also in TWG file. See here, this is the outdoor unit, and this is the wiring diagram, and this is the piping. So wiring diagram is coming from outdoor unit to each indoor unit. If you see here, each indoor unit. Okay. The same thing I already show you the PDF file. So this is the DWG file for the same. So I hope you guys learn how to review and how to study the report, and this report is very helpful to ordering the machine as well as all the required piping and accessories. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye. Please do once again, I would like to request you guys, please do subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed, because I am going to upload the more and more video related to MEP services designing as well as drafting. So please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos, and please share and watch my full video so you will get full information. Okay, and share my video to your friends circle and friend groups so that they will get also benefit for my video. Okay, so thank you once again guys. Thank you.